Hi all, this is Happy Bunker and welcome to the video. I am living off-grid since about 7 years. In my tutorial videos I'd like to share my experiences, technical knowledge and insights how the real off-grid life is. We had a little bit of snow last night, so let's have a look at our solar panels. Off-grid life is great, beautiful and free. Life in winter often starts like this. Morning sports is gonna be clearing the solar panels of recent snowfall. This shows very well why sometimes it's not a good idea to have your solar panels installed on your roof. Cleaning your solar panels on the roof can be a very tricky business. This is why I recommend to have them installed at places that you can reach conveniently. Depending on the amount of snow you're getting and the size of your setup, this sporty activity might take a few minutes. Overall, I need about 20 minutes to clear all my solar panels. Most off-grid setups rely on solar, so this is not optional. If you want electricity, you need to get your panels cleared. It's as simple as that. They don't need to be sparkling clean, but they should also not be covered in a layer of snow. As you can see, I am using a very wide brush to not damage the panels. If you're living in an area with much snowfall, you might need to use a proper snow shovel. Living off-grid, this is part of your daily routine in winter. Hope you enjoyed this one. There will be more videos coming in the future. Leave a comment down below and tell me what you think. With that, enjoy your day.